This is practice test number 4, problem number 3, and we'll be doing letter A in this video. We're given the empirical rule for a normal distribution at the top of the page, and the problem states that if the mean salary for a job is $30,000 with a standard deviation of 2,000, and then letter A asks what percentage of job salaries is between $28,000 and $30,000. So I've constructed the normal curve here, and underneath the curve I have the z-scores, or the number of standard deviations away from the mean, and I have 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations away from the mean to the right, and minus 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations to the left. In the center, I have the mean of 30,000, which is what I'm told in the problem. And then, as I move to the right, I add 1 standard deviation for 32,000. 2 standard deviations would be 34. 3 standard deviations would be 36. And the same in the direction to the left. I subtract 1 standard deviation as I move in this direction to the left. So I'm asked in the problem, what percent of salaries is between $28,000 and $30,000, which is represented by the shaded area under the curve. Now the first part of the empirical rule states that 68% of the data is between -1 and +1 standard deviations from the mean. Because of the symmetry of the curve, I can divide that in half. And if I take the 0.68 and divide it by 2, that's going to give me 0.34, which is the area between -1 standard deviation and the mean, which is 28,000 to 30,000. 0.34 is 34% as a percentage, so 34% lie between $28,000 and $30,000.